Hello everyone, I'm back your way again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you. This is Positive Orientation 1. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You can watch my video, you can subscribe, you can press the notification bell, and you can like my video as well. Thank you so much. I'm back your way again. Remember the topic I taught the other day, how to take good care of yourself. Or in another word, how to take proper care of your health. Now I'm coming to teach about part 2. As I've earlier told you, health is wealth. And health is what everyone's needs in life. If you don't have health, you don't have life. So I will be teaching you something concerning how to take proper care of your health. Specifically today, I will be talking about sleeping. Sleep has a very big role to play in one's health. Number one that I would like to talk about is generally when you don't sleep, if you are deprived of sleep, the first problem you will encounter is headache and what they call migraines. You'll be having headache because your brain have not rested. Sleep is that is why the doctor will always tell you go and sleep, because it is the sleep that will make the whole of your body to be relaxed. Even if you are relaxing, as I'm sitting on this chair now, it's like I'm relaxing. But this one is not enough for the body to have the full rest that it needs. I need to go sleep for at least 8 hours. Then I will get my body back. So I'm trying to tell you what sleep does to the body. It makes the whole body to go rest. So if you don't sleep, the first problem you are going to encounter is you'll be feeling headache and migraines, or you call it migraines, depending on the degree of the headache. That is number one. Number two, sleep can boost your immune system. Now, you should understand that your immune system in the body is what fights the disease, is what fights sickness. Whenever sickness wants to come to your body, want to invade your body, it is this immune system that is in your body that is built naturally that will fight back the bacteria or flu or whatever you like to call it. But when you don't have enough sleep, the immune system in your body may not function well. So it is very important that you get your full sleep. The medical advice for sleeping is sleep hour is 8 hours, 8 to 9 hours as an adult. But for younger people, it could be more than that. But for an adult, for just normal person, you need to have 8 to 9 hours of sleep so that the whole body can go to rest. That is number 2. So you need to have enough sleep so that your body, the antigens in your body can fight any disease that is trying to invade your body. It's very necessary. Number 3, sleep. When you have enough sleep, it will reduce stress. You know what stress is. Because the body has gone to sleep for maybe 8 or 9 hours. Now it has rested. You will not have enough energy. Because stress has to do with emotions. You think of so many things. Your brain is analyzing so many things, processing so many things. When you go to sleep, then the stress will be reduced. Automatically will be reduced. But when you don't have enough sleep, it's like the whole body is still working. Your brain is still working. Your eyes are working. In short, every cells and organs of your body are working. And in that case, you might have stress because you are so tired. But when you go to sleep and you have your normal 8 to 9 hours sleep, even if it's 6 hours, but make sure it completes 6 hours without no obstruction, then you will have less stress. You might not even have stress because your brain, every part of your body has gone to rest. So they will now function well. You will now think well. You will now do things normal. Your stress that you may have will reduce to minimum level. Number 4, not getting enough sleep can lead to heart disease. Because when you are sleeping, the heart never stops. Even at sleep, the heart never stops. But when you are sleeping, the heart is also resting. That is one thing we should understand. When you are sleeping, your heart is resting. The blood vessels are functioning very well. The blood can still, pass through the blood vessels and the veins. The blood can still pass through them. But meanwhile, your heart is getting enough rest because you are sleeping. But when you do not sleep, you don't have enough sleep every time, you are endangering your health. You are endangering your heart because your heart will continue working without no rest, and that one is not very good for the health. When you have enough sleep, even when you wake up in the morning, you will feel it that yes, you've gotten enough sleep. Your heart will now respond well. You can breathe well. You can breathe normal because remember, the heart is like an engine. An engine cannot be working 24 hours, 48 hours, just like that, without no stop. The engine, mechanically, an engine need to sometimes have rest so that the engine can function well. The same thing with your heart. So if you don't have enough sleep, your heart is working always. It's working always. You will not be experiencing what they call heart palpitations. The heart will not be working abnormally. Sometimes when the heart works abnormally, it is because you don't have enough sleep. And this can lead to different kind of heart diseases. So you need to have your 8 to 9 hours sleep every time, especially when you have finished your day work or your day job. You go to sleep, your heart will now have enough rest so that you can breathe well. The blood, remember, your heart is the one circulating the blood to the veins, to the cells and to all the organs of your body. So if the heart does not have enough rest, it will not have that power to circulate your blood in the body, and that one will lead to very different negative things in your body. Another thing I would like to talk about is better sleep leads to better mood. When you are sleeping, your body, you are getting enough rest. And this is the most reason sometimes when you are sick, the doctors will even prescribe sleep for you. You go and sleep. Because when you are sleeping, everything about the body is rebuilding. The body is making a lot of repairs. So when you don't sleep, you may have a bad mood. Have you ever experienced when you sleep so well and you wake up by yourself, you look so sound because the body have gotten enough rest? So you are full of everything. You are full of everything that your body needs because you have already slept. You feel happy. Sometimes you feel happy. You feel relaxed. You are now in a better mood. But when you don't sleep well, you don't get your normal hours of sleep, some of the troubles that you may have is you might not feel happy. Your mood will not be bright. Sometimes it can lead to anger, and whatever you are doing at that particular time may not augur well. You might not take even the right decision. You will start making some mistakes because the body hasn't gotten enough rest. The brain hasn't gotten enough rest. So you'll be making a lot of mistakes. It can even lead to anger. You will not be thinking well. All these things are natural. So that is why it is natural for you to always go to sleep. And that is the most reason, no matter how you try to hold your sleep, you might try to hold your sleep, but when the body is extremely weak, the whole body is totally weak, you can no longer hold that sleep. Before you know it, you have gone to sleep. Even while you are sitting or even while you are driving, the sleep can take you because the body need it now. You cannot stop it because the body wants to rest. It's a natural phenomenon. So when you don't sleep well, don't be surprised. You may not be happy. You may be full of anger. You will not be thinking well. So that is for that. Another thing I would like to tell you concerning sleep is good sleep, better sleep can boost your energy. Remember that for instance, you have gone to day job, or even if it's domestic job at home, you have worked, you are tired. And that is, as I said before, that is why the body will fall asleep, even when you did not plan for it, because the body is already weak. So after sleeping your normal hours now, you will discover that you get more energy to do other things. So when you get to your workplace in the morning, you are full of energy, you are agile. You are fast in doing things. You can think well because the whole body from your head to the sole of your feet has already rested. So you are fit, you are physically fit to do anything. So please always take care of your health, because your health is your wealth. When you get enough sleep, you get enough energy. There is no other element or vitamins or food that will give you enough energy as sleeping will give you. If you like, eat all the food in the world, but when you don't sleep, you become restless. You will not have power to do anything. So when you wake up, when you are after sleeping and you wake up at the normal hour, you are full of energy. Energy in your body, energy in your brain, energy in every part of your body. You are free to do everything. That is for that. Then another thing I would like to explain to you is good sleep leads to more concentrations. Remember, every day we try to concentrate on things that we are doing. Every day we are learning. If you don't have enough sleep, there is no way you can concentrate. You cannot concentrate and you cannot learn well. You see the positive things that sleep does in the body. It will be difficult for a man who hasn't slept for some time to concentrate on whatever he or she is doing. It's difficult for you to concentrate. It's not possible. When you are reading, you are learning, you are accumulating knowledge. You need to have enough sleep, enough rest that can make you to concentrate on what you are reading, on what you are learning about. After your brain has already rested, your brain, because while you are sleeping, your brain is resting, is processing informations. After you finish your sleep, the brain is ready to do any job that you assign the brain to do. So for you to learn well, for you to concentrate, you need to have your full normal sleeping hours. And once you do this, you can sleep. You can learn well. You can concentrate. But when you don't sleep, there is no magic that you are going to do unless you get your sleep. Another thing I would like to let you know is a good sleep can improve good memories. Yes, this is where the brain comes in again. If you don't have your normal sleeping hours, you always like to deprive yourself of sleeping. It is not a good thing. The reason is because your brain has not rested, then you are likely to always be forgetting things. You will have a kind of you have short memories because the brain needs to rest to work well. Just like an engine mechanically needs to have some rest before the engine can work. The same thing with your brain. Your brain will be starved. Don't starve your brain with sleep. If you starve it with sleep, you will have short memories. You may not remember things easily. It's natural. Because while you are sleeping, your brain is processing informations. You don't know this, especially when you are in a very deep sleep. Your brain is processing informations. The day activities, everything that you have thought about, the brain is processing all this. So when you wake up from your sleep, then the brain has been set for any other activities. You can remember things easily. You have a good memory. You can learn well. When you are reading, you can concentrate. As a student, for instance, if you don't sleep and you don't have enough sleep and you go to an exam hall, there is no magic. You might end up sleeping in the exam hall. I just want to use that as a case study. So the same thing with every other things that you are doing. When you are working in a factory and you don't sleep well, you may fall because you don't have energy. Your brain may not even work well. Your heartbeat will not be normal because the heart hasn't received enough rest. So it is very, very necessary, my people. Understand this. It is very necessary for you to get your sleep, your normal sleeping hour. Don't starve yourself. Don't deprive yourself of this. The last one I would like to tell you is sleep helps the body to repair itself. These are natural things. These are natural phenomena. There are some damages in the body that you may not know of. But when you have enough sleep, if you don't deprive yourself of sleeping, those damages will be, they will get repaired by themselves. There are hormones that are responsible for all this. But when you don't sleep, the hormones will not function. They will not be released in your body. So every damage you may have in your body, they repair themselves. It is natural. But you need to have enough sleep. These are things that you don't see, but they are in your body. Damages, inflammations. And that is, has it not occurred to you that sometimes when you are sick, the doctor will tell you, go and rest, go and sleep. And after you have slept, the illness will go. You will not experience the illness anymore. You will not even remember how the sickness, disappeared. The sickness will just disappear. Because what happened was that as you are sleeping, the body is, busy making some repairs in your body, in the brain, in the heart, in the stomach, every part of your body. They are making a lot of repairs to any damage that may have, happened to your body. So, my people, you should understand that sleeping is more than medicine. You may take as many different kind of medicine you want to take, but when you don't sleep, if you deprive yourself of your sleep, of your sleep, you might not have a proper health. I would like to leave it here for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. You can like my video, subscribe, and press the notification button. Thank you so much. This is Positive Orientation 1. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I see you again. God bless you.